already arrived here in our hotel. So here is our room. So let's do a room tour here first. So this is a family room for Chillax Hotel Lodge and Lodge. So this is the main bed, the king size bed. So dyan kami mag-sleep and ang mga gays are here. So it's like a double beds. So ayan, dyan sila mag-sleep and we have our own CR and bathroom. So ito yung itsura ng place namin for the next 9 days. So where's my Sia? Here! Okay, so we're going out now. And I'm gonna show you what's outside, okay? So go outside first. Sia, wait for Dada. Come on. So here is the outside look. So medyo it's raining. Ba! So medyo maulan siya. So nasa room 11 kami. And ang room dito. And sa taas merong room. Ay merong place. So bababa na kami. Gonna update you guys later. Gonna show you our place, okay? So again, this is our hotel. So we're going down sa aming swimming for today for our day 2. So ito yung hotel and lodge namin. So kada floor meron siyang, actually yung iba it is like this. So parang dorm style siya. So this is perfect. This lodge is perfect sa mga backpacker. Kasi if you're alone and if you're looking for a cheap place to stay, this is the perfect place for you. So this is Chillax Lodge Hotel. So now we're okay, so we're back in our hotel. So we're gonna go up again ng ganito kataas. So we're gonna have some rest. So I think this is our day 3 and 4 of our vlog. So I'm just gonna say bye to everyone. So later it's Marmora's birthday. And we're going up now. And I think this is the end of our vlog. Kasi hinga rin ako dito paakyat for sure again. So see you again on our next adventure here in Boracay. Thank you for watching. Bye! Good morning again. So it's our day. What's our day now, Cassie?
Hi!
So it's our day 5 and ngayon it's Marmora's birthday, but later
Mara, malaki ka na, pangandang mamaya. Hindi ka kaya sa beach.
pero
Magkano na pansit, di ba no?
tamad pa kami lumabas because later magpapabuffet si
Sa birthday gift. Hello, love, goodbye.
ano na Mar? Birthday mo, nakaganyan ka.
Boss me.
Oh.
Ay, hindi mo iyakan sa vlog.
Ano ba? Feeling mo naman pupuntahan kita. Hi, Sleepy.
Boss, ganyan ba sa inyo?
Oo, ganito.
Kala ba yan? Birdo.
Nakasakaling kita dyan. Di ba, Mar?
Yes.
Mar.
Yes.
Cute. Wala, hindi naka-register dyan yung ano.
I want mo ano.
So, tamad-tamaran pa kami. Kaya, we're just waiting for the sun to remove. So, ngayon, we're we're just lying down in our lounge and rest. So, mainit ngayon. It's a sunny day. Okay, so I'll just gonna show you now the amenities nitong lodge. Hotel na to. So, here. May lutuan sa labas. Mesa. At sa taas, dito yung mini tambayan ng lahat. So, they can have the inuman session here. Ayan. Tapos may mini pool. So, this is how it looks like. Sa taas, pinaka-tuktok nitong lodge. So, ito yung aming lobby. So, they're serving free water every day. So, ito lang yung pinakamahirap na part kasi nasa room 11 kami. So, we need to go up and down ng mga ilang floors talaga before we could go back here. So, ito yung everyday struggle. Actually, mas okay yung pababa, pero yung nataas talaga. Sobrang hirap. Ayan. Here's the gate. Okay, so we're going to check out. Again, we're here at Chillax Boracay. So here is our room, room 11. So for this lodge, again, it's actually good for people na nagta-travel alone. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly accommodation or like a dorm type, kasi yung sa amin, it's really not a dorm type for us kasi we completed the 8 packs for this room. So lahat kami kasya dyan sa room na yan. So there is one master's bed or like a big bed, and then the rest are the bunk beds na. So doon nagstay yung mga gays. So most of the rooms here actually, so dormitory type. So ilan lang yung mga family room. So this one is a family room pala. So yan. And then the other rooms here are dorm type. So meaning may mga kasama ka sa loob na ibang mga backpacker or mga traveler. So we're about to check out. Nauna na yung mga gays. Sio, go back! So we're gonna check out here. So sa pinakataas again yung pinaka main lobby nila. We'll be checking out. So this kind of room naman is like a family room. So here's what it looks like upstairs. So ito lang yung parang mini guest nila for the lobby. Hello! Just checking out the room before we check out. So overall stay, it's good. Okay na pa ate. Thank you. actually good. The staffs. Yeah, staff. So yung mga staff, okay naman sila. They are very helpful. So they are nice. So again, good thing that I like here is malapit sa Dinibi Beach. And very accessible yung tricycle. So my overall rating on this experience is 8.5 over 10. So syempre budget friendly siya, and sa budget okay naman yung naging stay namin. Yung aircon lang siguro medyo mahina for sometimes, though di namin siya pinatay for 9 days. Talaga naka-open lang siya for the whole time. So good luck sa aircon, makakapag-rest na siya. And then yun, 8.5 okay siya kasi it's actually good for people or a family na on a budget. Kasi parang for 9 days ang ginastos ko is parang nasa 29,000 lahat. So it's a good rate for family na nag-i-stay for 9 days. So ayun, we're going down now. Careful. So again, we're going home. See you again. Bye. Say bye.
Sa bawat kanto, may bagong pakulo. Pagkain